Good morning, students. I am Soni Prasad, computer teacher of class 7. Hope all of you are fit and fine and enjoying whatever we are teaching you through digital media. So, today in this video, I will teach you what is a computer virus, its symptoms, types, and its prevention. So, do you know what is a computer virus? You must have heard of the term virus earlier. Many of you have even had an attack of viral fever, which may have left you too weak. Just like biological viruses attack, our body's computer virus attack a computer system. A virus is a computer program that enters the computer system by attaching itself to another computer program and spread itself across the system. So, what is a computer virus? A computer virus is a software program that has the ability to make copies of itself and to attach itself to other programs or files. Clear, students? Our next point is, what does a computer virus do? The virus tries to take control all of the computer system it has infected at the first opportunity available. It makes copies of itself and also tries to carry out the harmful task written in its program. This process can happen so quickly that the user is not even aware of the presence of a virus in his or her system or of the fact that anything unwanted has occurred. Some viruses have a preset date and time at which they are programmed to activate themselves and halt normal computing. Such viruses check the system clock continuously, and when their time and date requirements are met, they can create havoc by performing harmful tasks listed in their own program. Viruses also stays on the lookout for any new files or any new USB pen drives that are inserted into the system. They attach copy of themselves to these new files or USB pen drives. A computer virus is capable of performing those tasks. It can affect executable programs file, such as word processors, spreadsheets, and the operating system programs. It can infect disk by attaching itself to special programs in the hard disk called boot records. These are the programs that the computer uses to start up. It can infect a file before it is attached to an email message or transferred to a disk, and thus spread from one computer to another. A computer virus is incapable of performing this task. It cannot infect files on write protected disk, for example CD-ROM. It cannot infect computer hardware, for example monitor, keyboard. It infects only the software. Our next point is symptoms of virus attack. How you understand? When you experience strange behavior such as distortion or characters not appearing on the screen when typed, then it is possible that a virus has affected the program that control the display or the keyboard. Some of the common signs of a virus attack: the computer runs slower, applications take longer to load and do not work properly, unusual error messages appear on your screen, you notice changes in file size, you notice that the hard disk has more files than it had earlier, the computer often freezes or stops responding, the computer restarts on its own, you see distorted menus and dialog boxes. Our next topic is, how do computer viruses spread? So, computer virus is spread from one computer to another by transfer of infected data by email, pen drives, or other sources. Viruses become active when start an infected application or start your computer from a disk that has infected system files. Once the virus is in the computer memory, it usually infects any application you run. Different viruses behave in different ways. Some stay active in the memory until the computer is shut down. Others stay active only as long as the infected application is running. Clear? Now, types of virus. Types of viruses. The different types of computer viruses could be classified on the basis of types where they hide the kind of damage they cause, the type of operating system or platform they attack, Let us have a look one by one. So number one is boot virus. This type of virus affect the boot sector of a hard disk. This is crucial part of a disk in which information on the disk itself is stored together with a program that makes it possible to boot or start the computer from the disk. The best way of avoiding boot virus is to ensure that you have strong antivirus program in your computer. For example, boot virus include Danish boot, devil.941, disk killer and stone virus. The next one is macrovirus. Macrovirus infected files that are created using certain applications or programs that contain macros. Macros make it possible to make series operations so that they are performed as a single action, thereby saving the user from having carry them out one by one. Such mini programs are the targets of macrovirus. Example of macrovirus: Melissa, Concept and Nuclear. The next one is program virus. Program viruses are attractive targets for computer virus because they are widely used and have relatively simple format to which viruses can attach themselves. For example, program viruses are Acid Rain, Crazy.a, etc. Our next topic is malware, computer threats like malware, worm, Trojan horse, spyware. So what is a worm? What is malware? Malware is short for malicious software. The word refers to any program that infiltrates and harms the computer without the user's consent. A worm is a program capable of reproducing and spreading itself to another computer system, usually by means of a computer network. Trojan horse. A Trojan horse is a program that appears useful but is actually programmed to pass the user's data to someone else. Spyware. Spyware refers to computer program that secretly gather information about the user and relay it to advertisers or other interested parties. They are also called spybots or tracking software. Spam refers to unsolicited, unwanted email. It may carry advertisement, serve as a means of spreading malware like virus and worms. Clear? Our next topic is prevention and cure of computer virus. How can you prevent and cure your computer? Install an antivirus software program. Regularly update the program. Open email attachment files only if you are expecting the attached file or the sender is known and has confirmed sending the file. Try to avoid downloading and installing software from the internet. Install only registered copies of software on the system. And our next topic is popular antivirus program like Norton antivirus, Kaspersky antivirus, Quick Heal, Total Security, Microsoft Security Essential. These are antivirus software which protects your computer from viruses. Hope you understand, students. I will provide you PDF and you have to note down in your classwork copy so that it will become easier for you to learn. Thank you.